Dear student, welcome to this session. I am Khalil Ahmed Chikkerur, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SS Government First Grade College. So, Maths Paper 2, Integral Calculus and Geometry. So, in this session, we discuss about solid geometry of point, lines and plane of 3-dimension geometry. In earlier class, we have studied about the 2-dimension geometry. So here point means x, y, z, p, x, comma, y, comma, z. So x axis, y axis, z axis, 3-dimension geometry. So some introduction, so important formulas. So before going to our actual syllabus, start from sphere. So start with distance formula. Distance between P, 2 points, P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2 is given by PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. In particular, distance of P x1, y1, z1 from Q0, 0, 0, that is origin, is OP equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. So distance between 2 points is given by this formula. So important formula we have to remember. Second section formula, the coordinates of points which divides PQ internally or externally in the ratio m:n are given by x equal to mx2 plus or minus nx1 divided by m plus or minus n. If the points divide PQ internally, then mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. If internally, externally means mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, comma y equal to my2 plus or minus ny1 divided by m plus or minus n, comma z equal to mz2 plus or minus nz1 divided by m plus or minus n. So in particular, if R is a midpoint of PQ, then so if m is divided in the ratio of 1:n, midpoint, then x equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma y equal to y2 plus y1 divided by 2, comma z equal to z2 plus z1 divided by 2. So midpoint of PQ. If OP equal to R makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with OX, OY, OZ respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosine of PQ and are denoted by LMN. So identities, if first one is L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1 always. Second, L equal to X by R, M equal to Y by R, L equal to Z by R, where P point P, X, Y, Z. So direction cosine of a line PQ. Third one is L by A equal to M by B equal to N by C. This implies, so each ratio is equal to plus or minus square root of L square plus M square by N square divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So L square plus M square plus N square is 1. So root 1 is 1. 1 divided by root A square plus B square plus C square. This implies L equal to plus or minus A divided by root A square plus B square plus C square, comma M equal to plus or minus B divided by root A square plus B square plus C square, comma N equal to plus or minus C divided by root a square plus b square plus c square. In this case, a, b, c are called direction ratio of OP. So direction cosine L, M, N and direction ratio are A, B, C. So fourth formula, that is fourth point, the direction cosine of a line joining two points, that is PQ, where P is x1, y1, z1, Q is x2, y2, z2, R, x2 minus x1 by R, y2 minus y1 by R, z2 minus z1 by R. So the direction ratio of PQ are x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1 is the direction ratio of line joining two points. Fifth one is projection formula. Projection of PQ on any line with direction cosine L, M, N is x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 into M, N. Sixth, the angle theta between the two lines whose direction cosine are L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 is given by cos theta equal to L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. The lines are perpendicular. This implies lines, so cos 90 degree, theta is 90 perpendicular and cos 90 is 0. So L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 equal to 0. The lines are parallel if L1 equal to L2, M1 equal to M2, N1 equal to N2. If A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are the direction ratio, then the lines are perpendicular if A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0 and parallel if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So equation of plane, the general equation of first degree in x, y, z, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, always represent a plane, equation of plane, where a, b, c, d are constant, x, y, z are variable. The equation of plane in normal form is Lx plus my plus nz equal to p, where L, M, N are direction cosine of the normal to the plane and p is length of perpendicular from the origin to the plane. The equation of plane in intercept form is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, where a, b, c are intercept on ox, oy and oz respectively. So general equation of plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So the equation of plane in normal form is Lx plus my plus nz equal to p. The equation of plane in intercept form is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. The equation of plane passes through the point x1, y1, z1 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Eighth one, the angle between two planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0, comma a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 is given by cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. The planes are perpendicular if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0 and parallel if a1 divided by a2 equal to b1 divided by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. So angle between two planes is given by this formula. So 9th one, the perpendicular distance d of, that is point x1, y1, z1 from the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is given by d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So important formula, that is distance, perpendicular distance from a point to plane. So is given by this formula. So x, y, z is variable is replaced by x1, y1, z1, and a, b, c is coefficient of x, y, z in equation of plane. 10th one, any plane through the intersection of the planes. So a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0, comma a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus k, some constant k, into a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2. So this is about some important formulas. So before going to actual, so in earlier class we have discussed, I hope you are all bit familiar with this. So references are this. So N. Rudaya and others, College Mathematics for BSc Series 1 and 2, ML Khanna, Coordinate Geometry, S. Loni, The Elements of Coordinate Geometry. So, thank you.